This was a project down in Southern Oregon, a quarry that we've worked in over the last 20 plus years. It's an extrusive igneous basalt, and it's fairly blocky, fairly large joints. And so historically, we've had some oversize issues there. And so I guess this is probably the first time where we put the utilization of the smart drills together and the Strayos optimization of drill hole placement. And so this was kind of our aha moment of where everything came together, and we saw improved fragmentation, reduced drill hole, reduced holes because we weren't putting holes in places that they weren't needed. So overall results on this one, the customer saw improved fragmentation. We didn't have fly rock issues. Just so for this particular site, it was a good overall results that that we were seeing from the combination of all the data that we were able to bring together and execute in the field. And overall, the customer is happy because they have reduced processing costs.